In December 1917, the Halifax harbor faced a cataclysm when two ships collided, unleashing a blistering explosion that shattered docks. The blast flattened a quarter of the city, claimed thousands of lives, and sent a shockwave that rattled windows for miles. Rescue teams battled through mangled streets as fires raged, and a towering mushroom cloud rose over the skyline. Public safety and emergency response evolved after the disaster, shaping Canadian preparedness for decades ahead. Today, the Halifax explosion is remembered for tragedy and the resilience that united a city and inspired future aid efforts.